What if I told you the person managing your money isn't a person at all? The financial world is changing faster than you think, and a brand new wave is here. For years, we've gotten used to AI. Think chatbots, those helpful voices on customer service lines, answering simple questions. They're good for information, but that's where it stops, right? Well, prepare for a shock. The financial world is moving beyond simple AI chatbots to something far more powerful, Agentic AI. This isn't just about answering questions, it's about action. It's AI that can actually execute trades, manage accounts, and make real-time financial decisions. What is Agentic AI? You give it a goal, like growing your investments. Instead of just giving advice, it takes action, tracks results, and adjusts automatically. It's like having a fully autonomous financial assistant working for you 24/7. This isn't sci-fi anymore. Right now, AI agents are managing billions on Wall Street, trading, balancing risk and optimizing investments, quietly working behind your money. By 2026, your bank could be run by AI. No human bankers, just smart AI managing your money, predicting spending, and finding the best deals automatically. It might know your finances better than you do. Agentic AI is changing your financial future fast. It's not if, it's when. Stay informed, stay ahead. Follow for more future insights.